Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today we have an IPSY Glam Bag Plus for March. Stay tuned. Who are new subscribers, I just wanted to give you a little bit about myself. I am legally blind, so I will wear glasses that are pretty powerful to read on my iPad. I cannot read any of the papers that they give to me unless I put them underneath a special machine, which is not in my filming room. So I will read off of the iPad while giving you pictures and like audio about each product, and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about IPSY. There is an IPSY Glam Bag, there is an IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and then there is an IPSY Ultimate. So I will leave my link below for IPSY. And if you want to, you can go ahead and go on there. I'm not sure exactly how much you get off for that. I will put it below in the description with all my other links. So the box that I get monthly is the Glam Bag Plus box. It gives you at least five to six full-size products, and that is $25. The Glam Bag itself, I think, is 12, if I'm not mistaken. The price had gone up, so it's 12, and that gives you, I think, 2 full-size products and then deluxe samples and regular samples. Sometimes only 1 full-size product. The Ultimate gives, I think, 6 to 7 full-size products. Now each IPSY bag has a little glam bag in it, like a little makeup bag. So even at the $12 bag, which is the one that my daughter gets, she loves it. She gets her samples and she gets the deluxe samples, and then you get at least 1, sometimes 2 full-size products in there and the little bag. So every month you're getting a bag. You're going to be overloaded with bags, but those bags are great to give out gifts, and then you can fill that little bag with goodies and give it to like a friend or somebody on their birthday. So those are really cute. So today I did get my Glam Bag Plus, and it had, I think it looks like 4 actually full-size products and 2 deluxe samples. Here is the inside of my March box. I do have 3 add-ons that I added on that are in this box. So let's get started and see what I got. Okay, first item is a eye gel. It is made by Malin and Goetz. It's like Goetz, I think. And it is an eye gel. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which is something we all need for fine lines and wrinkles. So let's open up and show you what it looks like. Retail value on this item is $42. Okay. So it's a pump bottle. So it's supposed to help with fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles. So that's a plus. You know, it talks about our eyes showing age before, you know, the rest of the skin shows age, and it does, especially down in the crow's feet of the eyes. I'm 54 years old, and I've just recently started using skincare over the last 6 months. I mean, I've used just basic moisturizer forever, but I've never used any of the other skincare products that were out there. I really didn't know much about them. I am legally blind, so taking me to the store to show me, okay, what do you want? You know, I don't know what I want because I really can't see anything. I don't know what it does. And so, you know, I kind of held off on that, but I've been getting subscription boxes for about 4 months, I think it is now. And I am getting some really great products that I think are working very well. I may not see all of the wrinkles, and I know I have a whole bunch of them, but I can tell the difference when I feel around my eyes that they're not so deep as they were. So I am at 54 going to take care of my skin much better than I did. Okay, second item is an eyeshadow palette. This palette is called the Perfect palette. It is by, let me double check real quick. It is by The Balm Cosmetics. Okay, here is the eye palette. It has, I think, 7 eyeshadows and 1 eye primer. It says it helps the colors to create a really good smoky eye. There's some shimmers in here. Looks like some mattes in here. I'm not sure how many colors of this I would use. They look really dark. I like this one on this end, the real light colored one. I like that. I do like this first one on this side also. So I do like it. It says retail value is $26.50. And there's the outer packaging. Okay, the third item is this one. This is called the Yensa. It's made by Yensa, and it is called the Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. Retail value is $28. Let's go ahead and take this out so you can see it. It's really pretty. Definitely really pretty. Let me just watch a little and see if you can see anything. It might be a really light color when you put it on, but it's a lip oil. See, I don't think you can see anything where it is. It's right here. It is very soft. So I'm gonna try that one. Never had an actual lip oil. Lipstick, lip glosses, never a lip oil. So we'll try that. Next item is a complex concealer brush. This is the first time I've received any brushes in any of my subscription boxes. So I do use concealer. Let's go ahead and take it out. That's pretty. So this is, I'll turn it so you can see the bristles of the brush. And it says it's a concealer brush and it is worth $26. It is very soft, but at the same time, it's kind of firm, I think, to hold your concealer as you're trying to like put it in. It is called Hemp's. It is a body lotion. It is pineapple and honey. I am looking on the website to see if it has a retail value, but I'm not seeing it. But I do know about this. My daughter had it, it's been a long time, in an IPSY glam bag, the what is it, $12 bag. So she had it in there and I tried it. We're gonna see what it smells like, see if it's the same thing. Oh, it is. That smells so good. It does have the jojoba oil in it. It is very hydrating. It has the hemp oil in it, and it's a perfect little size. I don't know, this looks like it might be a deluxe sample size and not a full sample size, or a full size, because I want to say this is one that she got in her bag, and she gets mostly the deluxe samples plus a full size here and there, but that's number 5. The next item, it is made by, it says Hey Honey. Tell you a little bit about this one. So it says Hey Honey Trick or Treat Active Propolis Cream Concealer in light to medium. So this is a concealer. It says the full size of this concealer is $36. So I know this is not the full size. It is, I'm sure it might be a deluxe size. It's a little bigger than a sample size. So I'm gonna try this. I have light to medium skin right now, very light. Haven't been out much since we've all been in quarantine. So in the summertime though, I do get tan. We do all our vacationing. So I will be more of a medium tone at that time. So I am gonna try this one. Okay. Okay, the next item, this is one of my add-ons that I did, I think. So this is the Ciate of London. I have gotten two blush, like the little round blush with a mirror in it. I've gotten two different shades of that, and between IPSY and BOXYCHARM. I love this brand. I've also gotten, there's like a 2-pack of highlighters in it. I also got those. So this is a new one. This is a illuminating highlighter. I'm gonna open that so I can show you. I really, really like the brand. So here's the color. I think that'd be good. Definitely looking forward to using this. I don't know what it is, but I just really like the Ciate brand. It is cruelty-free, vegan-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. You know, a lot of people think gluten-free is just for food, and it's not. Gluten can be in your stuff you drink. It can be in the stuff that you eat. It can be in shampoo, soap, makeup, all of it. And those of us that have celiac disease, which I have celiac disease, I've had it all my life, diagnosed right around 1998. Been on a gluten-free diet since then. I definitely can't eat any gluten at all. I even try to watch like vitamins. Vitamins sometimes have gluten in them. Makeup. So anything I can find that says gluten-free on it, I'm really happy about that, because that goes into my skin. And when that goes into my skin, it goes into your body, and it creates issues for me. Lots of inflammation. I get really, really sick just by a tiny bit. Even toothpaste. So you gotta watch toothpaste. You'd be surprised it's not just food. So this one I'm looking forward to using. Like I said, it is gluten-free. I like the color. And it is a brand that I really have loved over the last couple months. So here is my two add-ons that I got. This one is the blush. It's called, I think it's Shayna B of Miami. It is in the color Bellini. And then I did get a highlighter. I'll check that one in just a second and see what color that is. So let me open this. It's pretty good packaging. So this is the color that I got. And we'll try that out. I like it. It's pretty. Okay, here's the highlighter that I got. It's the same brand. It looks like it's Shayna B. And this is in a Guava Glow is what it says there. Okay, struggling to get it open. Okay. So this is the other color. And this is the highlighter. So let me put them both next to each other. So the blush is on, this is the blush here. And then this is the highlighter. So we will definitely check that out. That's all that's in my box. So that's pretty much, I did get 3 add-ons by myself. Let me just throw everything aside. So I'm just gonna quickly just kind of go through the box to show you and everything that we received in my box today. Okay, so I did get the blush and the highlighter that we just showed. So that's 2 items there. Highlighter from the Ciate of London, which I'm looking forward to trying that. We also got the palette. that has the primer in it. I guess this big one right here is the primer. I've never used primer before, but I'm gonna try it. I probably won't use a lot of the colors because I'm not great at figuring out how to do eyes. When you don't see very well, it's kind of hard to do them. So I do basic eyes. So we got that today. I got the concealer in light to medium color. I got this is the eye gel. Did get the lip oil, which is in that pink color. I'm really excited. I think this is like my favorite part of the box. This is the brush that we did get today. And also this. So this is the body lotion, which I will probably take on cruises and travel with. Because right now you're using so much sanitizer on your hands all day long that they dry so bad. So bad. But we gotta do what we gotta do right now, right? So that is everything in my IPSY box. So I just want to say thank you for watching my video with me. I appreciate it. Thank you to those subscribers who come back and watch my videos. It means the world to me. Thank you very much. Also, if you're new here, I just want to say hi and welcome to my channel. I do travel videos, unboxings, reviews, and weekly vlogs. So if that interests you at all, please click the subscribe button below and the bell so that you're notified when I get new content. Also, if you don't mind, either click the like or dislike button for the video. Of course, preferably the like button. But if you don't like the video, you don't like the video. So I do appreciate you taking the time out of your day just to check it out. Okay, thanks very much. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.